In this video, we'll walk you through how to access your Academic Advisement Report, also known as your AAR. The AAR is an online interactive tool for you to track your progress towards graduation. To get started, first log into your myBoiseState account. Once you're in, select Student Center from the My Resources menu. From your Student Center, click on Advising and Academic Progress. You'll land on the Academic Requirements tab where your AAR will automatically be generated. Once your report appears, you'll see a series of status icons. These icons quickly tell you if a class is incomplete, repeated, taken, in progress, or planned. Any requirements you've met already will be collapsed by default. To see the details, just click the arrow on the left side. You'll also see the word Satisfied at the top of the section. To review the report as a PDF, click on View Report PDF at the top right of the page. The PDF will list your entire course history, including any courses that are not being used to satisfy a degree requirement. For more information, please visit www.boisestate.edu/registrar/. If you have any questions or run into any issues, please don't hesitate to reach out to our office. And as always, go Broncos!